Imagine a world where cleaning happens without lifting a finger. For my girlfriend Thea, who's all about gaming and less about tidying up, that's exactly what the Dreame L10s Pro Ultra does. This robot vacuum handles the mess, letting her stay focused on conquering virtual worlds uninterrupted. Well, before we start the review, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
You try but can't get through to me. It's not you, yeah, it's always me. I close my heart to you, you see it opens up for nobody. It's been so hard to fall asleep. The weather always makes my nose bleed. Makes my nose bleed. It's so hard to believe that one day I'll feel peace. I want control over my life. I want that driver's seat. Yeah, it's not you that I need. You push me down when I'm weak. You were never there for me. Go pick up your keys and leave. I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't lean and ask, don't play pretend. You think you're everything I need, but I'm good in there.
Meet the Dreame L10s Pro Ultra, a vacuum that combines high-tech efficiency with smart adaptability. It's built with advanced tools like MopExtend technology and 7000 Pascal Vormax suction. This design allows it to handle edges, navigate around furniture, and reach tight corners smoothly. MopExtend's automatic extension tackles tricky spots like under tables and chairs, making it especially useful for everyday messes without needing extra help. Equipped with Duo Scrub, a trademarked technology, it can scrub away sticky spills with its dual scrubbing system, while the smart carpet cleaning strategy adapts based on the surface. For instance, on carpets, it lifts the mop and increases suction, ensuring no dirt is left behind, while the floating rubber brush adjusts effortlessly to crumbs and pet hair. This model also features advanced dirt detection, which assesses how dirty the floors and mop are and, if needed, returns to give stubborn spots a second pass. Its 3D Adapt obstacle avoidance uses smart recognition and 3D structured light, allowing it to identify and avoid over 55 types of objects, from shoes to cables, with ease. Powered by a 5200 mAh battery, Dreame offers up to 220 minutes of runtime and quick charging, making it ready for reliable everyday use in busy homes. The Dreame L10s Pro Ultra shines in adapting to a variety of cleaning needs. Its MopExtend tech and Vormax suction tackle everything from light dust to tougher messes, adjusting smoothly to different surfaces. Equipped with dirt detection, it senses how messy an area is, adapting its cleaning intensity accordingly and even returning to remove areas when it detects stubborn grime. For dry spills like crumbs, the Vormax suction reaches up to 7000 Pascal, ensuring a thorough cleanup. Now, let's get into some of its other cool tricks. Carpet cleaning is managed smartly as the bot lifts the mop on rugs and uses Carpet Boost to increase suction, capturing debris effectively. And with Smart Pathfinder technology, it learns the home's layout, scanning the environment to create precise maps. This feature helps it navigate around obstacles like kitchen chairs or tight spots under sofas without getting stuck, allowing Dreame L10s Pro Ultra to clean every nook and cranny effortlessly while keeping the cleaning process efficient and smooth. Okay, as I have to do everything, so maintenance is a very important thing to me. I'm very happy to see that maintenance is nearly effortless with the Dreame L10s Pro Ultra. Its base station takes care of essential tasks like auto emptying and mop self cleaning. Equipped with a 3.2-liter dust bag, It can go up to 75 days without needing manual emptying, thanks to Dual Boost 2.0's efficient dust compression. The water system is equally hands-free with separate tanks for clean and dirty water, along with hot water heated to 58 degrees Celsius for thorough cleaning and sanitizing of the mop. Yeah, sanitization is very important. Well, this base station also dries the mop pads with hot air to prevent odor and mildew. With silver ion sterilization, both the mop pads and water tanks help eliminate 99.9% of germs, keeping the device hygienic. The water hookup kit adds even more convenience by enabling automatic water refilling and draining through a simple connection to the water line. Okay, let's talk about the application. Yeah, there is this Dream Home app which offers a range of customizable features, allowing users to set cleaning schedules, monitor cleaning progress, and receive notifications for any issues. Real time video supervision, voice assistance, and personalized cleaning strategies for different rooms add to its convenience with just a few taps.
Mop pad cleaned. The water in the clean water tank is insufficient. Please fill the clean water tank and empty the used water tank. Start dehydrating mop pads.
Users can control every aspect of the Dreame L10s Pro Ultra, making it a seamless cleaning assistant for busy lifestyles. For those looking for a reliable, hands-free cleaning solution, Dreame L10s Pro Ultra brings powerful suction, smart navigation, and low-maintenance convenience. It's designed to take on daily messes with ease, freeing up time and energy for everything else that matters in a busy home. For those with pets or larger homes who want a true hands-free cleaning experience, the Dreame L10s Pro Ultra could be a game changer. Well, the Black Friday is coming up, so it might be the right moment to check it out. There is a link below with a code for an extra 5% off. Okay, the code is valid for 1 month, so go ahead. Check the product, use the code, and enjoy the discount. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
I can't go back to you.